Here's how to save yourself hours when coding. So imagine we wanted to add authentication into our app. So we need like a register page, a login page, as well as like a forgot password page. On the one hand, we could just copy and paste code on each page, So the login page will have its specific type of code, and on the registration page, it will have its specific type of code. However, we're developers and we want to save time. So what you can do instead, right, is you can just create a boilerplate piece of code that you can reuse in the rest of your code. So for example, here we have a card wrapper, and in it, we have things such as the social buttons, which will allow us to have Google Auth and GitHub Auth. We have like a back button label, and a header title. So when we do go into our login forms and registration forms, we could simply just call it at the top here. So we'd have the login title, we'd have the back button label, as well as the social, so that when we are making each page, it just saves us 10 times more time because we have a boilerplate piece of code that we can just reuse throughout our entire app. And not only does it save you time, but it's also good practices for companies to look at. So it's a great tip.